capture it.
We're gonna capture it. Oh my damn. Oh, there's bugs flying in my face. Alright. So look at this shit. Oh my god, I thought you were afraid of moths.
I'm terrified.
Oh my god. It's gonna fly out. You captured it.
I got it. I got it. It's moving. Don't touch it. I can't.
Well, yeah, because it's gonna need some air.
I'll put some holes in it. I got the dots.
Oh my god, hold it up. Look at that. Hold it up to your head. This thing literally flew in my damn face. Did you capture it?
I don't know. It's pissing myself.
Okay, we good? You should leave it on the counter for Mom. Let her find that shit.
I know what that means.